What's the meaning of beefsteak tomato? Beefsteak tomato. Beefsteak tomato.
Beefsteak tomato. Beefsteak tomato. A beefsteak tomato is a type of tomato that is known for its large size, juicy flesh, and meaty texture. The name beefsteak refers to the tomato's resemblance to a steak, with its thick, substantial flesh. These tomatoes are often used for slicing, grilling, or roasting due to their size and hearty flavor. They are commonly found in supermarkets and farmers' markets during the summer months. Beefsteak tomatoes come in a variety of colors, including red, yellow, orange, and pink. They are a popular ingredient in salads, sandwiches, and other dishes, adding both flavor and visual appeal.